What is going on, guys? Jaime Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Tuesday, October 27th, 2020. The time is 9:28 Eastern Standard Time. We got 2 more minutes before the market open. In front of you, I have two charts. We have the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. They are both on a 5-minute chart. I am trading live account using one contract, and our daily profit goal is to make anywhere from $400 to $500. That's about 80 to 100 ticks. And so with that said, guys, we see that the overnight session gave us, the market is kind of in a bullish. It's coming up, doing higher highs, lower highs, and then right now came all the way up here, kind of retracing. So we got 1 more minute for market open. So what we're expecting is to see the next candle when it opens probably come down, and if it doesn't break this low, doesn't break that blue line, and it doesn't break that support line, then chances are the market is going to continue to go higher. So same thing with the S&P. Again, I have put these two charts because they move very similar. Sometimes I use the S&P just for confirmation when I do take trades on Nasdaq. So again, guys, we are gonna wait for this next candle. What I'm thinking it's gonna do is gonna come down, retest this lows. Now again, if it breaks this, then we're gonna have to wait for it to close below and then take a sell. So there it is, market open, guys. So I'm still thinking, let's see how high it goes. So the market again came down here, made a higher high. So market open, came up. So now we gotta see what it wants to do. If it wants to indeed keep going higher, then this candle needs to break above even this resistance, but it's looking like it's going the other way. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and then get you guys back when we're ready to trade. Okay, so we're back. So market open, went all the way up. Now it's down here, so it broke the support. So we can expect the market to continue to go lower. So just gonna wait and see how much it retraces back up. Alright, guys, so we're in this trade. Should maybe gotten it exactly at support. So looks like it's gonna get us out. That was a big candle. Okay, we got stopped out. That was a very big candle. So let's see what's going on. We're gonna have to wait for another setup to see what exactly the market wants to do and get our money back. So I want to pause the video, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. So it seems like the market wants to continue to go higher. So what I'm gonna do,
order filled.
Alright guys, so we're in this trade. Now, no need for us to risk more, so I'm just going to put it almost dead here at support. And it looks, I mean, it's tough, man. It's really tough. It's a lot of big candles. Getting close to elections, so a lot of uncertainty, a lot of greed. See what this candle does. Put it at 20. It's as much as I'm gonna risk. So right now, guys, we are risking about 65. About 325, so it'll still put us really bad for the day. Again, if it gets us out, then that will be that's it for today. And I'll probably just think about keep trading this week, maybe until after the elections, because this is all based again in fear, the news and everything. So see what this candle does. If starts going the other way, I'll move my stop loss to break even and then just call it a day. Go ahead and move this here. Go to 80. Okay guys, no need for us to risk any money. So we are going to be at break even. So what I'll do is I'll just leave my stop loss there and then see how market, if I want to see if it breaks that next resistance. If it does, then it indicates it's going to continue to get higher. If it doesn't, then it might come back down. So since we lost the first trade, I'm just gonna put it here, so that way if it gets us, we can get our money back and maybe come out with an extra couple of $100. But at this point, guys, I'm just willing to break even. So
Target filled.
alright guys, target hit. There it goes. It's gonna keep going higher, so we left it at the 1580. See if it hits. Probably will. Alright guys, so those are really big moves. There's a lot of volatility. I'm thinking it's because we're getting closer and closer to the elections, and so a lot of people just trading out of fear, you know, people getting money out. So market is going to be making this big moves. So made our money back. We had a first trade was, you know, we saw it. We had breaking this blue line and our previous support, so I figured it will keep going down. But it just came down and it just pushed back up, so it got us out. So then a second trade, we bought the market, but we're just trying to get our money back plus whatever we could have made on top of that. So we did. I had it at 11,580. It was almost close to hitting that, but again, guys, I'll take that. You know, we were in the red 400. We got that money back, and now we are in the green. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. If you guys are out there trading, just be careful. There's a lot of volatility, a lot of movement. And so that's it, guys. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And as always, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.